Saudara, pemerintah Amerika Serikat meluncurkan program Prakarsa untuk membantu guru mengajar dengan teknologi melalui virtual reality dan games. Kota Makassar, Sulawesi Selatan menjadi salah satu kota yang dipilih untuk menjalankan program Prakarsa.
Program guru mengajar dengan teknologi secara virtual reality dan games diluncurkan oleh Konsulat Jenderal Amerika Serikat yang berada di Indonesia. Kota Makassar menjadi salah satu kota yang dipilih untuk program ini. Deputi Public Affairs Officer Konsulat Amerika Serikat, Waterhausen, menjelaskan Amerika memilih visi untuk mengembangkan potensi anak dalam bidang ilmu sains, teknologi, seni, dan matematika, khususnya dalam menghadapi perubahan iklim. Dan game menjadi sarana yang tepat karena diminati oleh anak-anak.
And we are here today with my friends and colleagues we were invited to come to the launch of a workshop of Prakarsa project. Prakarsa project is an initiative by a group of very innovative, smart Indonesian young people who are working on a technology which is called virtual reality, augmented reality technology that will help teachers to give them an extra tool in their educational model, and especially in the educational model of STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics.
Program ini menyasar guru di tingkat sekolah menengah atas dengan mengenalkan metode mengajar yang menyenangkan melalui teknologi virtual reality dan dikembangkan melalui games untuk membuat proses belajar lebih menyenangkan.
Why the game? Yeah, I think good question. Gaming is increasingly popular with the young generation, and when we look at the population of Indonesia, it is a very young population and very well connected population. Everybody is on the internet, has a smartphone, and young people really love, this generation really loves gaming, not only because of the fun and the game aspect, but so it's a way to meet with each other. It's a social component in it. And gaming is also like a platform to learn, not only developing the game, but also to learn from each other. And it's something that can be done through technology. Yes, they were very enthusiastic about that idea as well, because in Indonesia, we feel it. The climate is changing, flooding, other visible effects of climate change, pollution in the oceans, but also on land. It's a challenge that I think can tackle together.
Prakarsa merupakan program kerjasama antara pemerintah Amerika Serikat dan Indonesia dan Yayasan Prakarsa. Launching juga dihadiri langsung oleh Badan Pengembangan SDM Industri Setioko Pramono yang mengapresiasi program Konsulat Amerika dalam membantu pendidikan di Indonesia. Nila Rustam, Kompas TV.